Okay, today I will show you how to do VLSM subnetting. VLSM is different from doing regular subnetting because instead of using a fixed subnet, you will have to divide it in different chunks. So you can use more hosts for one segment and less hosts for another one. It helps us to be more effective with the networking, and it looks cool. I don't know. Okay, so for this example, I will use 192.168.0.0/24. For /24, we know that there's 256 available networks, so we need to make sure that there's a space on it for the host. Okay, here I will show you my way of thinking and how this table will help us to build the VLSM subnets. Here on the left I have the total addresses by decider. 2 to the power of 8, that will be 256, and 2 to the power of 0, that'll be 1, which is /32. Same thing for the other one, except -2. And this is the available that we can use, meaning the host plus the network and broadcast. But if you're confused on which one to use the left table, because it already contains the network and broadcast. So I'm going to use the left table. Okay, back to the example. We have the site hosts, we have different locations, A through F, and different number of hosts. Okay, and we're going to use the left table. /32 is out of the way because it's only one network, and it's for a local address only. And /31 is for 2, which is only the network and the broadcast, which is also out of the way. So for location A, we need 60 addresses, and the only site there that can give us 60 addresses, or the closest one, is /26. So starting with the networking, with the network baseline of 192.168.0.0, we need 60 hosts, and the closest one is /26, which is going to give us 64 total addresses. And the next segment of the address is going to be the sum of the already total addresses. So that's 64, 192.168.64. Okay, for location B, we need 29. So what is the closest site there that give us 29 hosts is going to be /27, which is 32 hosts. So we're going to add 32 plus 192.168.0, that's 64, and that's going to give us the next networking address, not the broadcast address, the next networking address, which is that 96. Same thing. Now we go back to location C, which is 14 addresses. Which CIDR is going to give us 14 addresses is CIDR 28. So for CIDR 28, there's 16 available total addresses. So we're going to add 96 plus 16, and that's 112. Now for location D, there's 2 hosts, so we're going to use /30, because remember, /31 is only going to give us 2, but 2 is for the local and broadcast, so we're missing 2 other for the host, so that's why we use /30. That's going to give us 4 addresses. That's 16. Same thing, /30. That's 120, and that's it. It's pretty easy if you already know this table, and I hope you like it and find it well. Here are the resources. Let me go to the other slide. And yeah, practice this because it's going to be very helpful on the real world. That's it. Thank you.